up guys, Ryan Wilhelm here, your Kootenay Auto Pro with Alpine Toyota. Today we're out at Jim Smith Lake. A beautiful mountain range of Fisher Peak is just sitting right there. The sunshine is shining, and we've brought out the 2017 Toyota 86 for a little test drive. We've had a lot of fun coming through here, a lot of dips and whips to take this car on. It's been super fun, and I just want to show you guys a little bit about this car. Coming around, first of all, we've built this car up to the way that we thought our customers would like it. We put the TRD wheels on there, 18-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin's, low pros. Really nice fins that accent the front of this car, along with LED headlights that come custom stock in all 2017 models. They've got really nice 86 badging along the side of the headlights there. As you can see on the trunk here, we've put the TRD spoiler on it to give it a little bit more aerodynamics and a fresh look to it. We've also put the TRD exhaust. The TRD exhaust sounds amazing on this car. Under the hood of this car, we've got a 2-liter boxer flat 4 with Toyota's D4S system, which is the direct port injection. 205 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. This thing is lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and it's just a really fun car. If you're looking for a fun sports car this summer, get yourself down to Alpine Toyota. Come check out this car. Let's take it for a test drive, and we'll have some fun with it.